guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing here. I don't know if we'll be able to see that, it's a little dark. Anyway, that is from Revzilla. So I'll set you right here. Okay, usual stickers. Anybody wants those and they follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM. Maybe I'll mail them to you. Okay, here we go. Boots. Why am I getting new boots? Be right back. These are my current boots. TCX, I don't remember the model, but look at that. There's no tread down there. These are more for, I guess more for a sport bike than anything. But, well, I had a little incident a couple weeks ago. Stopped on the side of the road and I was going to program some directions in my GPS, and when I went to pull off, there was a car coming, so I stopped, and my right foot slipped out from under me, and my left foot was already off the floorboard, which ended up making a nasty little bruise on my shin. Sorry about that. So here they are. These are the Forma adventure boots. Now I wanted a high boot just so I could protect my shin, but I also wanted something with a little bit of some tread blocks on the bottom to help get a little grip. And if you watched one of my more recent videos, I'm thinking about getting into maybe some adventure or dirt riding, so these will just come in handy for the future. So I guess call it pre-planning on possibilities. And it has a lot of P's, a lot of alliteration going on there. So here are the boots. I haven't tried them on yet. We'll see if they fit, and we'll bring you back for a little bit of a review later. Anyway, these are the Forma adventure boots. Got them at Revzilla. They're around $280, something like that. All right, we'll bring you back after I had a chance to ride with them. All right, guys, I figured I'd give a little initial assessment on the boots while I'm on the bike. So first off, they fit over my riding jeans, which that's nice. I like that. They're comfortable right out the gate, and they fit. Obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be wearing them. I'd be sending them back. Any likes, dislikes? Well, so far the adjustment for the buckles is a little bit wonky, if you will. It takes a little bit, I guess, getting used to make sure that the adjustment is where you want it. Well, I got to upshift, so as one issue so far, I got to adjust my shifter linkage, because the toe doesn't exactly fit underneath my shift lever, so I'm gonna have to adjust that. But this is just the first ride with them. I've been riding for about 15-20 miles so far, and so far I like them. So I'll adjust up that shift linkage, and I think we're going to be good to go. They are waterproof up to a point too. If I was wearing a rain suit over the top of my jeans, then I should stay dry. If you wanted to check these things out, they're at Revzilla. I'll leave a link in the description for them. And until next time, we'll see you guys.